everyone, my name is Ghazala and you're watching Kitchen Love Stories with me. Today we have a very simple yet interesting recipe to make, which is called charpa. Charpa is mainly made in parts of Jharkhand and is like pancake with pieces of meat in it. There are many other similar batter based chila or pancake like recipes in Bihar and Jharkhand like duska, pitha, chilka, chitwa, to name a few. Charpa, along with its other dishes I mentioned, are usually paired with a variety of chutneys, different kinds of potato curries or mutton and chicken curries, and are extremely scrumptious. You'll enjoy them whether you have it for breakfast or dinner. As you will see, this is a very simple recipe to prepare and make. So come along, let's make it. This is very simple to make. 2 cups of rice in a bowl. We'll wash it properly and we'll leave it to soak for about 2 hours. Next step is to grind all of this rice into a very fine paste. There's already a cup of water in this rice. We'll take another cup of water, add half of it and save half cup of water for later use. We made this into a very fine paste and this is how we want it. You can also grind this in 2 batches if your mixie jar is small. Now time to add green chilies and the remaining half cup of water which we saved. Now we are just going to crush these chilies together with this batter. Let me show you how. As you can see here, the chilies are just crushed. You just need to run your mixer for about 5 to 7 seconds after you added chilies, and this is what we'll get. The consistency of this batter is also perfect. Now let's see what we are going to add this with. This is about half a kilo of mutton pieces. The pieces are cut into very small tiny bits. You can see here. We are only going to use boneless meat in this. Add in the rice batter we made with the chilies. Finely chopped 1 large onion. About a quarter cup of finely chopped coriander leaves. We'll just give it all a good mix. You can also use buffalo meat for this recipe but not chicken. This is very famous and common dish mainly made in Jharkhand. Time to add Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, a teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 full tablespoon of salt, and finally 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And that's it. These are the only ingredients we are going to use for this recipe. Now it's time to give it all a very good mix. You can make vegetarian charpa also by replacing the meat with the potatoes and green peas or any other vegetable you like. Or you can just add a few eggs in this and make it with this masala and rice flour. That also comes out very tasty. Some people also make this with spinach leaves. That is also very tasty. You can try it. But traditionally charpa is made with meat pieces. The consistency is too thick, so let's add half cup of water now and give it all a very good mix. One more thing I wanted to clear in this is you can also use the coarsely minced meat for this. Just make sure that it's not finely minced, but I'm telling you, it tastes best with the meat pieces. It's all mixed very well and the consistency is also right. This is how we want it. Now let's see how to make charpa. 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, preferably if you have an iron pan, that would be great. Drop in 2 ladles of the batter we made. Very gently we are going to spread this batter. Let it not be very thick. We need it to be crispy. We are going to leave this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. We'll keep checking if the downside has become red and crispy before we flip them. Yeah, now you can see it's ready. It's nice red. We are going to flip the charpa and start pressing on top to cook it evenly. We also cook the charpa on other side for about 3 to 4 minutes. By pressing it continuously, you can see what I am doing here. So totally after cooking this for about 8 minutes on medium flame, this crispy charpa is ready to be enjoyed. I hope you all will make this recipe and appreciate this food from Jharkhand. I request you all to subscribe to this channel and hit that bell icon. Also share these videos with your family and friends. I would love to hear a comment from you. And also don't forget to like these videos. Enjoy this charpa with coriander chutney or any chutney of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in another video next week. Bye bye.